Let's order pizza.
How long?
15-20 minutes. They must not be busy.
I doubt they're busy. I figure when it's non-camping season, it's just the people of Shaver. What is there, like 200 people in this town?
Okay, so we're so Dad's working, and he doesn't want to go get pizza, so he handed me the camera and said, "Get vlog footage," because I don't have any footage. I need footage for my camping video. Even though for camping today, all I did was sit and work. So we're gonna take the camera. I'm gonna vlog things. Just making sure you guys all know he's sitting in the trailer working and not actually going with us. It's me holding the camera.
Oh, she ran into
Just letting you guys know.
Aside from my soul, there goes a sight, now there goes a sight from my soul.
Usually like squats it down all crazy.
I know.
Or put it over this.
I'm going to.
Or just make it to where you just hold the back one. Like put the front two legs on and hold it back.
Let's Dad's what is it called? Joby. I broke a leg off of it. Shouldn't have handed it to me.
Two-legged Joby.
Okay, let's just say that I lost it.
No, put it right
No, let's not. Let's have it in my pocket. Then when I'm like, here, and he goes, wait, where's the other leg? I'm like, wait, there were 3 when you handed it to me?
Oh, you're so jacked up.
That's what he gets.
There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my there goes a sight. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul.
Who is it? No one in here. There it is. You got that? Go.
Oh, it smells so good.
The door just closed on me.
What did you drop?
Nothing. So the door just closed on me.
Oh.
Do not move. Please, please.
Give me the freaking camera. Take it. Dad's gonna be pissed. Please don't. Look at it.
Warm pizza.
They just currently more
Wait,
infatuated with
just
the fact
wait. There's a one more. Hold on. Just
that
wait.
she has to catch her pokey freaking mom.
Please. There.
She's even begging me to not move.
There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul.
I already got it.
I broke free when I got the really good one. I broke free from my Pokemon ball. I was supposed to catch it again, but it said too far away.
All angels just walk by. There goes a sight from my soul.
Oh, good one. It's a neck chop. I don't have one. Stay.
Stop.
Stay. Yes. Oh, yes.
There goes a sight, there goes a sight.
Look at this baby.
Now there goes a sight from my soul.
Hey, Puff. Yay. Okay, let's see what else we got here.
There goes a sight from my soul.
The more you catch of the same thing.
Another one?
Never easy.
Oh gosh, Joe. You almost done here?
Yeah, this is the last one.
Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul.
Okay, we made it home. Oh, to the hotel.
I'm totally watching this guy speak. Can you tell me? Nah, we're fine. I'm not gonna worry about it.
Pizza ranch. Oh, Mom.
Camera. Since we're inventorying everything. Oh, I'm like a mile away from there. You gonna get in and sit down?
Shaver leg pizza. You. We got this. We got this. But wore you out? Too much work?
In here.
That was hard.
That was hard work.
I caught a lot of Pokemon.
It's gonna be hard work eating this pizza right now. That's what I'm about to do. Bye.
Hi, watching Incredibles.
Watching Incredibles in the trailer. It's winter camping. I don't have to go out much yet, so I'm working. But gonna wrap it up.
There goes a sight from my soul.
Still have work to do. And I'm gonna go for a walk. And then we're waiting for some snow so we can snow sled it up.
It's gonna snow.
It's gonna snow, I know it.
People check.
It's hailing outside.
We hit the trail down.
Paige's doing her homework.
I
We just
need
ate
to
some
do my homework, but I'm
pizza.
not gonna do it till later.
We're watching. What are we watching?
Twilight.
Twilight Sagas.
Sawdust.
Playing games. It is hailing. It looks like snow. It's gonna pile up enough to be snow. Maybe we can snow sled in the hill. Okay, Emma, you start.
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight.
Oh shit. Little people be ruled. Little people smacking big people.
Finally, so please be quiet.
Emma's going to sleep.
It is where I want it, but like right now,
Paige is in bed.
I'm just
What time is it? It's after midnight. First night? Second night? First full
Second
day?
night.
Second night here. First full day.
Yep.
6 more days to go.
Yep.
We're calling it a night.
I did that for
Vlog is over officially. Stomping it out on your foot. Stomping it out.
Wait, don't.
Foot sticking out. Stomping it out.
Don't be stomping nothing out on that.
Vlog's over.
There goes a sight from my soul.